Hey boo, what's up? In this video, I'm going to be trying out a lace closure wig. Okay, and this is actually the first time ever that I'm trying out a lace closure wig, and I was very pleased with the end result. It's so cute, okay? So if you want to see all the details, keep on watching. So today's unit is provided by Nadula, and they sent me a lace closure wig. And what's also in the back, the first thing that I noticed was this type of headband that I actually never saw. So I was like, what is this? And then I noticed this is like a headband you have to apply around your hairline to secure the wig, and this lace part comes where your middle part is, and it will make the look extra natural. Okay, and this headband also secures the wig, so there's no need for any glue, whatever. This headband will make sure that the wig stays on your head. Okay, so this is the unit that I got from them. It's super soft, super curly. I love it. I love me some curly units. You guys know me, I always rock curly units. Okay, and like I said, this is a lace closure wig, so this is perfect for me. You don't need to make sure that the sides are glued down. You can just put it on and go. Okay, so I'm going to be trying it on without this little headband that they provided, and you will see the difference in a second. Like, the headband makes all the difference. Here you can clearly see that my wig cap is somewhere out there just popping out of nowhere, and it's not looking that natural. So I'm going to put the headband on. You guys will see in a second. Ooh, it will just make all the difference. But the lace on this closure is actually transparent, invisible, and blends with every skin tone, so that's definitely a plus. By the way, installing this unit, just putting the unit on my head, took me like 5 minutes, so that's also a good thing. I don't like to spend time doing my hair. And girl, you can clearly see here that without my wig cap and with this little headband, it just did complete transformation. You can see here, wig cap is showing, not a good look. And with the headband, I don't need to worry about my wig cap showing or anything. It's just really natural looking. So that's definitely a great invention. So I'm definitely going to use that more often on my head when I apply these lace closure units. And of course, I'm not going to leave it as it is because right now it just looks too perfect. I'm going to make it super natural looking by styling this hair with some water. Then I'm going to detangle the hair, which is actually very easy to do because this hair doesn't tangle as much. And then I'm going to put some curly hair styler from Love Your Curls in this unit to make the curls pop and to make them hold for a while. So I just finished styling this unit, and I'm going to sit underneath my hooded dryer for a frizz-free look for about 20 minutes, and then I'm good to go, sis. And the thing that I want to say as well is that this is actually the first time that I try Nadula hair out, because most of the times on my YouTube channel, I try out the same companies over and over because I know the quality is there. I know the quality and their products of those other companies that I try all the time. But for this time, I wanted to try something new, which is a lace closure wig. Like, this is the first time that I'm trying this, and I'm am so pleased with the end result because it's super easy to install. I don't need to worry about the size of my head, whatever, and it looks super natural, super cute. So if you're looking for something different, definitely check out Nadula hair because so far so good. Like, my hair is popping, the curls are popping, and on top of that, the hair is super full and thick, which I really like. Okay, so definitely check out the links in my description box. Check out Nadula hair. So thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it, and I will see you in my next one. Okay, bye.